Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some waterproof boots by SHULOOK. I'll show you guys what these ones are here. Look at these are cool. I got nice looking ones this time. I figured, okay, I'm gonna get some nice looking shoes. And it comes with, I guess, extra shoelaces there. Oh, this is just filler paper in here. There we go. So there's the filler paper, nice little tag, and more filler paper in there. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now we'll be able to get my foot in there. And so this is what it looks like here. It looks like a nice looking boot with some little red features on it here. I think there was a different choice without red as well, but then it's got the gray. We've got little red features on the bottom too. Got a nice tongue. It's got the extra little loops here so you can do that whole wraparound business with it. And then this here to help you carry them or put them on to pull them up. Let's go ahead. I'm going to aim you guys down, way down over here. Move the box out of the way, and I'll put this one on here. I guess this is my left foot. Excuse my sparkly toes. We were having some fun this weekend. Ah, look at that. And I wear 8.5, and I'm not wearing any socks right now. Normally I would wear some socks, so, and I got an 8.5 size. So let me try this on here. There we go. Okay, so this is it here. I'm going to take a couple of steps. I won't necessarily do a whole lot of work in it at the moment, but it feels good. I've got a nice, comfortable insole here in the inside down there. Let me take this one out. I don't know what that's called. The underside here is nice and padded and everything too, so that's good. And it looks like it's even sewn nicely underneath it. So it's, and they actually finished up the inside without the little foot thingy, so it was good. Oops, I didn't push it in all the way. But there we go. So it's nice and it's good, and it's got some good flex to it a little bit here. Oops. Hopefully it's still going. Okay, it's got some good flex to it here, so that's good. And it's got SL text, whatever that means. It's like a Gore-Tex, I guess. And you can see there's my size on it there. I got 8.5, and this fits me great. Perfect, exactly true to size, I would say. So it's got a little bit of space, but not a lot. So I would just get exactly whatever size you normally wear. But these are great, totally comfortable. Yeah, I'll be wearing these to do a lot of walking around outside in the winter time and stuff as it gets cold and yucky outside and muddy and things. So these are good, nice. And because they're waterproof, I'm sure I can just wash them off. So that'll be great. Thumbs up for sure. Very nice.